The Indian distribution system has got bare conductors onto structures or poles with insulators to protect it from being earthed. Unfortunately, these bare conductors have a problem with the swinging of the conductors as well as trees or branches falling onto it, which could create a short circuit and the power is switched off. This leads to outages as well as a loss to the utility, as they are unable to supply the power even though they have taken the power from the transmission system. Now, a new system which is called as a covered conductor, which is basically providing insulation onto the conductor as required by the utility, is provided. The covered conductor system consists of a triple extruded XLPE material onto an ACSR or AAAC conductor. The conductor construction is having a bare ACSR or AAAC conductor where the water blocking is provided between the strands of the conductor to ensure the water, even if by mistake enters the conductor, does not flow and stagnate at the sag end of the conductor. First layer is a semi-conducting layer which is extruded directly onto a conductor. On top of this, we have an XLPE, pure XLPE, which provides a total insulation. Thirdly, a very thin layer of XLPE with carbon black to take care of the UV radiation and ensure there is no damage to the conductor because of the UV radiation. These are suspended based upon the requirement, whether it is tension or suspension, and also pin insulators which are provided for ensuring they are taken safely from one end to the other end. Second part of it is insulating piercing connectors are provided to ensure that the conductor is not skinned at any point of time and they travel from one end to the other end totally insulated. Anywhere a tap off is required, an insulating piercing connector is used to tap off the line. From the advantages of covered conductor are you do not have to trim the trees very frequently. The trees, even if it touches the covered conductor for a very short period of time, will not create any damage to the conductor, nor will it take any ground fault. So you can plan your maintenance for extended period of time where you can trim the branches or trees to ensure that they are not rubbing against the conductor. The conductor, even if they touch each other for short periods of time, will not create any tripping. The other advantage of it is, if this conductor gets cut and falls to the ground, the conductor will ensure tripping of the system immediately, thereby ensuring that the accidents are prevented in the system.